What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have got another Fashion Nova unboxing or unpackaging. So this isn't clothes. I don't only buy clothes from Fashion Nova. I also love their accessories. I love their shoes. I love their bags. I love their jewelry. Like, they have a lot of really cute things on there for reasonable price. Go over onto their website. This is not sponsored. I am just an absolute Fashion Nova fanatic on this Friday. That was 3 F's. Fashion Nova fanatic on a Friday. It's Fashion Nova Friday, y'all. We're going to call this Fashion Nova Friday. Okay? I didn't get too many things, excuse me. It's just a little dark in here. I just want to open up the curtain a little bit. All right. So, around this time of year, I don't know what it is. I don't know why I just, for the life of me, cannot find white bags. And this has happened to me probably throughout my whole life. Like, if I find a really nice white purse or a white bag, I don't like the black outline that it has. If I've got some ladies on here who understand what I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section down below. It doesn't look appealing to me when a white bag has black outline on it. I don't know. Maybe it depends on the style. Maybe it depends on what the style looks like. I just don't like it. If I want a white bag, I just want it to be all white. I don't want it to be outlined in brown or tan or black. I just feel like it just takes away from it being a white bag. So it's definitely hard to find one around the fall and the winter, because around that time you have a lot of these cool colors and these dark colors. You're not gonna, just like white sneakers. I remember a time where, a lot of guys were out here and they went out in the summertime looking for white Air Force Ones. And then after the summer, you just couldn't find them anymore. And then all you saw were the black ones. It's kind of like that when it comes to bags and purses and things like that. So I was on the website for Fashion Nova and I found a really cute bag. So we're going to go ahead and check this out. And I also found some really cute sandals. They were both on an extreme 80% off sale. You guys, if you guys don't know, you have to download their app. Again, this is not sponsored. I'm just giving y'all a little piece of advice. Download their app because they constantly remind you of tons of sales that they have, especially when they start switching their seasonal stuff over to spring and summer. I love it. So, I'll show you both. So, I found this really, and I'm picky when it comes to bags. There's just certain bags I don't like. If I come across them, I'll tell you what they are. But this is definitely my kind of bag. So I found this cute white bag from Fashion Nova. If I would have never told you this was from Fashion Nova, you probably wouldn't have believed me, because it is just so super cute. It looks like it has gold, not gold trimming, but it has, little gold accents here. I don't like very long straps. I don't know, sometimes it just looks cheesy to me, or forgive me, but old-ish, if you know what I mean. So these actually have little clamps so you can take the strap off. So I'll show you. This is they have gold accents, but it almost looks rose gold. Maybe it's throwing me off because it's white. But yeah, see, you can take it off, or this one has a little thing on it so it doesn't a little plastic thing so it doesn't come off. But this is super cute. I can go out with some jeans and a t-shirt with this. I can go out with dress down, dress this up. I can put this on with anything. Now, come to look at this. Now that I notice this, all right. So on the sides, it almost looks like what is that? Like crocodile style. And this is just plain, solid, matte. But you see, it almost looks like it's an off-white and then a white and then off-white. But I'm okay with that because from far away, it just looks absolutely white. It has two little sections inside. I normally don't go for bags like that because I don't like too many pockets. I feel like it's bad enough that I dump everything in my purse. The last thing I need is extra pockets to lose things in. So, but it has has a lot of space inside, y'all. This is like my ideal size bag. It's not too big, it's not too small. I probably wouldn't travel with this because it's not a big traveling bag. That's when I go for big bags. I go for huge, big bags when I travel. You know, especially if you're running around the airport somewhere. I've got bags you can fit just about everything in. And when I mean everything, I mean everything. But I am absolutely in love with this bag. I'm so glad that I found it and it was on sale. I believe it was like 80% off. You guys need to go on Fashion Nova and figure it out for yourself. But I love it. I love it. I love it. This is actually called, and you know I absolutely love Fashion Nova for them. They have everything that they have has its own name, which I absolutely love. This is called Arabian Nights handbag. So if you guys want to go on there and purchase that, that's what it's called. And while I was searching for a bag, I came across these really cute snakeskin looking sandals. They're really cute for like the spring or the summer. They're called Slithering Through flat sandals. And I think they're like really cute. They can go with jeans. They can go with a dress, a skirt. I'll show you guys. See, they're just flat sandals, but they're really cute. I love the colors because they're neutral. So blue jeans and a white tank top is cute. Even like maybe gray goes with it. Maybe like also like a brown dress or like a brown skirt with a white top. That'll look cute. I really like these. I saw them and I fell in love with them. And I'm like, you know what? That can go with a couple of my outfits. So I absolutely love these. Really cute. And I think these cost me about... How much were these? I think these cost me less than $10 because they were also 80% off, y'all. You know, I am all about a good sale and a good bargain. And when Fashion Nova has those flash sales that you see that are like 50 to 80% off, it's like never ending with me. So there you guys have it. My new white purse for the spring and the summer and my cute sandals, which I cannot wait to wear with a couple of my outfits. But, yep. And I'm going to, there was a couple of other things that I saw on there, but I'm not going to get anything anytime soon. Not just yet. But I'm sure I'll have another Fashion Nova haul for you guys and an unboxing. But leave your comments down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this mini unboxing for Fashion Nova Friday. It's not really a Fashion Nova Friday theme. I'm just calling it that. But let me know if you enjoyed this. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later.